Uwi na yun.
Hindi, wala pang time out.
Hindi na siya nag-time out.
Ala, wag ka.
Ala, bakit ito binibidyohan na? Ala, naparabang major namin yan.
Sana po. Mababalance siya, hindi siya.
Unstable.
Oo. Mababalance siya pag hindi ganyan yan.
Wala. Challenge nga yan.
Our revenue stream.
Ah!
Wellness will earn from subscription plans for families.
Alam ko na.
Oh.
Tagal ng signal dito
Mahina nga.
Hospitals. We also support
Ah.
RPM or remote patient monitoring, where doctors are reimbursed for monitoring patients in need.
Ah!
Nan mo.
RPM, pwedeng track
Oh.
Daya ba? Bitawan mo, bitawan mo.
Oh.
CCN, which is
Bitawan mo yun, bitawan mo
where doctors
talaga.
will receive monthly payments for managing patients with chronic disease.
Dapat yung ganyan yung competition na sinalihan mo.
We will avoid over
Balancing.
single market and strengthen our
Salamat.
Ito naman po ang
Galing na itong gingging na to na kita ko lang sa gilid-gilid.
wellness can be
Watch me.
Uy, wash
I'll
it.
be watching.
wellness is technically
Ah.
difficult because only that technology existing. Existing na ngayon yung mga technologies na gaya ng AWS.
Meow, 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 meow. Gasipa na siya.
We also integrate with wearables. Mga wearables.
Mali ka naman kasama.
Chatter. Chatter. Nga.
And we also
Yan natin gagawin ni John Day.
data security standards like HI and AA or Health Insurance Portability and Accountability and GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. So,
Uy! Galing!
Paano yun? Patingin.
Kasi balancing. Uy! Kanina yun? Yung anong brain.
Ilang meters itong ano sa tingin mo? Ito, yung ganun. Magkapareho lang ba dito yung doon?
Hindi. Feeling ko mas
Ayun
mahalo
yan.
dito. Mas mahaba.
Doon?
Yung pag-anin.
Mas natingin mo, mas mahaba yung ganun or dito?
Hindi yung pag-anin.
Pero kasi kat may ano, may extension na pa ganun.
Hindi, kaya mo yan. Galing ni John Ding dun na.
Pero mas mahaba yung ganun.
and caregivers will also need minimal training on it because our interface
Focus siya, guys.
is easy to use. And doctors can also integrate
My patience
MS
is patient.
workflows and hospital systems.
Paano ba ginawa?
Market visibility.
Yung pinakadulo yung nanay niya.
The Philippines
Ay,
is
oh.
growing at nearly 20% per year.
Ano?
So,
Wala pang 5 seconds na patayo ko na.
busy families and
Tumingin.
households will want remote visibility and care agencies will
Aww.
want digital tools and
Ubus na kanyang pasensya.
fewer readmissions. So this demand makes our market strong and ready.
Ayun niya tumayo.
Financial stability. So
PWD.
our model is sustainable. We will earn through
Hindi
revenues,
naman talaga marunong patay.
subscriptions,
Ayaw
and
niya
enterprise
tumayo.
licensing. And most of our expenses are software related.
Give up ka na lang talaga.
Infrastructure.
Wag na. Babay na.